Helo, Helen yma, Helen here. Croeso I sesiwn 4, 5 mewn 5. Welcome to session 4. So, this session is about Rhoi, Adborth, Llafar giving oral feedback in the classroom. If you want to say something is good, simply da. Da. If something is very good, a piece of work is very good, you can tell a student, da iawn. Da iawn. Something is fabulous. Bendigedig. 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 If a piece of work is excellent, gwych. 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 If an answer is correct, cywir. Cywir. Syniad, idea. So good idea, very good idea, fabulous idea, excellent idea. So in Gymraeg, in Welsh, syniad is idea, and the adjective always comes after the noun. So a good idea is syniad da, or idea good. Syniad da. Very good idea. Syniad da iawn. Syniad da iawn. And you can see the da iawn comes after syniad. Fabulous idea. Fabulous idea. Syniad bendigedig. Syniad bendigedig. And excellent idea. Syniad gwych. If you want to praise someone's work, work is gwaith. Gwaith. So good work. Let's see if you can work these out. Very good work. Fabulous work. Excellent work. So work is gwaith. Good work. Gwaith da. And again, it's work good. Gwaith da. Very good work. Gwaith da iawn. Gwaith da iawn. Fabulous work. Gwaith bendigedig. Gwaith bendigedig. Excellent work. Gwaith gwych. Gwaith gwych. If you want to praise someone's effort, ymdrech. 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 So good effort, very good effort, fabulous effort, excellent effort. And again, the noun comes first, so ymdrech, and then the adjective. And here, slight change, because ymdrech is feminine, slight letter change, soft mutation. So ymdrech dda. Ymdrech dda. Very good effort. Ymdrech dda iawn. So the D has changed to double D. Fabulous effort. Ymdrech fendigedig. Ymdrech fendigedig. Excellent effort. Ymdrech wych. And here the G has disappeared. So the B has changed to an F and the G has disappeared to wych. If you want to praise someone's progress, progress is cynnydd. Cynnydd. Good progress, very good progress, fabulous progress, excellent progress. So cynnydd is progress. So good progress, cynnydd da. Very good progress, cynnydd da iawn. Fabulous progress, cynnydd bendigedig. Excellent progress, cynnydd gwych. And if you want to praise someone for answering, well, ateb is answer. Good answer, very good answer, fabulous answer, excellent answer, correct answer. So answer is ateb. Ateb da, again da comes after ateb, so answer good. Very good answer, ateb da iawn. Fabulous answer, ateb bendigedig. Excellent answer, ateb gwych. Correct answer, ateb gywir. And lastly, if you want to tell people keep it up, to one person, dal ati, dal ati. And to a group, daliwch ati, daliwch ati. So daliwch ati to use your Cymraeg in college, and of course, once you've learnt the adjectives and some of the vocab, the adjectives can be recycled with all kinds of praise. Okay, daliwch ati, hwyl fawr.